Hello guys, welcome back to our vlog. Today, we are here in Cabagan Triangle Park. As you can see behind me, this place is more than just a landmark. It is a great example of geometric design, help shape, culture, and the art of the community. Look at this tower. Its design uses lines, angles, and repeated geometric patterns that give this structure a unique design. Geometric art like this reflects how people of Cabagan value balance, order, and creativity. And of course, this iconic horse and carriage displays blend both local and traditional artistic geometry. This structure follows clean shape and cement lines, turning a cultural symbol into a modern visual attraction. So if you're visiting Cabagan, make sure to drop by Triangle Park and see how art geometry comes together to tell the story of this amazing town. Thank you for joining me. Goodbye!
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're here at St. Paul the Apostle Parish in Cabagan, Isabela. A perfect example of how geometric design shape culture, arts, and beauty. Look at these beautiful arches, rectangles, and symmetrical patterns. These geometric shapes are not just decoration. They represent order, stability, and harmony, which are important values in our culture. Church just like this don't just serve as place of worship. They also preserve our heritage, and combination of geometric patterns and religious art brings out the unique beauty of Cabagan's culture. So if you're visiting Cabagan, make sure to stop by St. Paul the Apostle Parish and experience how geometry and traditional come together to create something truly inspiring. Hey guys, thank you for joining me today. Thank you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our vlog. Today, we're here at Square Park in Cabagan, Isabela, and we're talking about how geometric design contributes to culture, arts, and beauty. Just look at this iconic I Love Cabagan sign. Each letter used strong geometric shape, straight lines, curves, and solid lack of color. These symbols are creating a modern eye-catching design that instantly represents the pride of the community. Big design doesn't make a place look good. It's helped express a town's identity. Here in Cabagan, shapes and colors come together to showcase culture, happiness, and creativity. So if you want to experience how art and geometric shape a community's beauty, Square Park is the perfect spot to visit.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're here at the beautiful St. Paul in Apostle Catholic Church in San Pablo, Isabela, and we're exploring how geometric design shape our culture, our arts, and our sense of beauty. So here at St. Paul the Apostle Catholic Church, geometry is not just decoration, it's tradition. It's storytelling, it's a reminder that beauty grows from structure, balance, and meaning. Thanks for joining me today. If you want more cultural and architectural stories like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in next vlog.
harmonic symbols, this impressive caravan and we're talking about how geometric design helps shape culture, the art, and the During San Pablo Isabela, geometry doesn't just build structures. It builds stories, it shapes culture, inspires art, and creates beauty that we can all appreciate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cultural journeys.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to the vlog, and today we're here at stunning St. Matthias Parish Church in Tumawini, Isabela, a masterpiece known for unique brickwork and its iconic round bell tower. And our topic for today is how geometric design shape culture, arts, and beauty. The circular bell tower is one of the rarest in the Philippines. Its perfectly curved design shows how geometric pushes craftsmanship to its limits. Artists and builders of the past used shapes to express creativity, engineering, and faith. So, in St. Matthias Parish Church, geometric is not just structure. It's art, it's culture, and it's beauty shaped by history. And it continues to inspire anyone who visits. Thanks for watching. If you want more cultural and architectural story like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next vlog.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our vlog. Today, we're here at the Santa Maria Cabagan Bridge, a landmark that not only connected Santa Maria and Cabagan, Isabela, but also showcased how geometric design shape culture, the arts, and the beauty. Construction for this bridge began back in November 2014, and after of work, it was finally inaugurated on February 1, 2025. It stood as a symbol of progress, unity, and modern design for the people of Isabela. So even in moments of loss, structures like the Santa Maria Cabagan Bridge teach us how geometric design shapes not only landscape, but also culture, identity, and craftsmanship. Thanks for joining me today. Bye-bye.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to our vlog. And today, I'm here at Triangle Park, Santa Maria, Isabela, a place that beautifully shows how geometric design helps shape culture, the arts, and even our idea of beauty. Right behind me is one of the park highlights. This is a statue standing on a strong geometric pedestal. The structure uses simple shapes like squares and triangles to add height and stability, turning into a powerful focal point for reflection and prayer. And over there, you can see the banga-shaped structures, round, smooth, and iconic. Their curved geometry reflects the traditional pottery of the region, connecting the park to the local culture and heritage. What's amazing is how geometry does more than decorate the place. It creates movement, order, and meaning. It turns a public space into something artistic, culturally rooted, and simple beautiful. So here at Triangle Park, we see how geometric design evolved around us, from pathways and structures to landmarks that honor our traditions.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to the vlog. Today, we're in Santa Maria